Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Hi, this is Vishal Singh, and today we are doing 21st First with India Forums.
Vishal Singh, whose love for his role as Jigar from the show Saath Nibhana Saathiyan is all set to appear on All Balaji's web show, was roped in by us, and here we asked Vishal about his first. So without any further ado, let's begin. First audition.
My first audition was for a film called Om Shanti Om, which no one knows. So yeah.
First rejection.
In terms of auditions, I don't remember. There are so many.
First acting gig.
Was Om Shanti Om.
First paycheck.
Was from Balaji for my first show. Must be, I think, kuch 60-70 हज़ार रुपए.
First fan encounter.
Was again for my first show, which I was doing with Balaji called कुछ इस तरह. So show शुरू हो गया था और हम promotions के लिए fly कर रहे थे. And so I met this girl on the flight, and she was watching the show. So that was my first encounter.
First celebrity crush.
I think it was Divya Bharti.
First email ID.
Do you want me to tell you the ID?
Of course, you're not using it, so you can tell me.
First, then I think it was Vishal Singh. Oh, one second. No. I'm telling you, no. It was I used to be a big MTV fan, and I used to watch this Malaika Arora's show Love Line. So that was my first ID called Love Line 07 at Yahoo, I think.
First job.
1 second. I think my first job was collecting bills. I used to finish my school and used to collect bills.
First phone.
It was that blue Nokia phone. It's small one. हाँ है ना सबके पास वही होता था हाँ वो.
First time you got starstruck.
When I saw Salman Khan for the first time. And I think it'll still happen. Every time I see him, I feel like that.
First person you followed on Instagram.
I think Karan Kundra. Because we made our accounts together for some reason. I think so. I'm not sure. Probably.
First most expensive purchase.
First was, I think I wanted to buy these Adidas shoes, which was some 10,000 rupees. And at that time, 10,000 used to be, it's still a big deal. So yeah, those shoes. That's what I was remembering.
First dish you cooked.
I think I'm a terrible cook. So I used to make tea for my mom. So that's the thing I have done. But in terms of cooking, I think I would have made omelette.
First solo trip.
First solo trip, मतलब trip, fun trip, right? मतलब not for the work, मतलब ऐसे काम के लिए आप शहर छोड़ के आ रहे हो या कुछ वैसा वाला नहीं. So my first solo trip was to Spain for the New Year's.
First trip, सीधा Spain.
Yeah, मतलब trip मतलब I left my city and came to Delhi, left Delhi and came to Bombay. That was all for work. But whenever I've traveled, I love traveling, but I always used to travel with someone. Spain was the first time when I traveled all alone.
First date.
First date, official date, was in the US. अभी कुछ 2 साल पहले. अभी नाम do you know who's Adriana? You don't know, right? Point.
आप भी कर लेते
हाँ.
वो जवान में लगेगा.
क्योंकि कॉलेज स्कूल तक तो मतलब सामने से ही प्रपोज आते थे ना. I never had to, and there was Bhatinda में there was no official date. और Bhatinda से आने के बाद I was working some 40 hours on the set, so I never actually got an opportunity to go on an official date. So that's what I'm saying कि US move होने के बाद बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें थी जो मैंने नहीं की थी और करना चाहता था. First time I was on Tinder, and my first date was through Tinder, and that was like the official date I consider because yeah.
First club experience.
Was in Bombay. There used to be a club in Juhu. So yeah.
First adventure activity.
I don't think I've done any adventure in life. Like I'm quite scared of these rides, and for me, I think my biggest adventure was to get a tattoo done. So that's what I have. Yeah.
First time you made out in public.
I've never made out in public. Not in India, at least.
हाँ तो बाहर है.
I actually never made out in public.
First alcohol experience.
Was a party. मुझे पहली बार दारू विकास गुप्ता ने जबरदस्ती पिलाई. So I still remember that experience. Yes. कुछ नहीं किया था. आई पंजाबी हूँ, दारू पी के थोड़ी ना उल्टियाँ करते हैं. बस ये था कि उसके बाद पीने के बाद मुझे अगले दिन ये फील होता कि इतने साल मैंने क्यों बर्बाद किए ना पी के.
First kiss.
Because I was in school. I was in 8th standard.
So, did you like the segment? आज हमने अपना first जाना है.
I really loved it. And you know what? I think the best part is when you talk about it, बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो मैंने खुद नहीं सोची होंगी. So when you get to think about all these things, you actually are like in a way reliving the whole thing. So it was beautiful. So thank you. Hi, this is Vishal Singh and you're watching India Forum.
We hope that you enjoyed this segment. If you did, do comment and tell us. Ashima Chavda, camera person Mangesh and Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.